Well, we're here today to push the boundaries of fine milling a little bit further. The problem we've got is that the tungsten tips wear down fairly quickly, and although it's given an acceptable finish, we've always looked to see if we can do anything better here at Powerplane. And when Element 6 offered us a diamond tool, we've researched that, and the diamond tools, although tremendously expensive, do not wear, so they retain their shape. The rest of the world is not convinced, and they haven't been very successful in concrete because of the hardness and the material in it. But because with fine milling you're only cutting 5-10 millimetres deep, we thought it'd be well worth a go. And to that end we trialled it with a small machine on the M25, and 3 nights work there didn't even touch a diamond tool. So we've invested a lot of time and effort with Element 6. We now have 700 tools and have put it in a 2-metre drum.
We've developed the polycrystalline diamond, which we call our D-Power. That's been used now throughout the world. We've done probably 25,000 square metres worldwide, and we're using that technology in the last year to help develop the tool for this concrete texturing application.
So this is CEMEX's National Technical Centre at Southam, and this is where they've already trialled the use of roller compacted concrete. So we've got a fair old area to go at. The biggest problem with roller compacted concrete is the level control when it's going in 200 millimetres thick, and also whether you need to finish it to give it some anti-skid or put something over the top. Fine milling is an answer. Fine milling with diamonds we think will improve that. So that's why we're here. This concrete has been tested at 70 newtons, so it's not soft concrete. Some of it's got hard gritstone in, some of it's limestone, and we're here to re-level it, re-profile it, and put a finished texture in it. The thinking behind the diamonds is because the tip stays the same, that we always get the same groove and we always get a consistent finish. And that is the way forward as far as we're concerned at the moment.
After 3 metres with carbide you get the texture. It starts off as a pencil point. After 3 metres then you end up with a crayon, and worse than that it just is completely bull-nosed. With a diamond pick you're keeping the profile, and that height difference from the tool holder to the tip maintains throughout its life. The advantages are that it's a quicker system. Working with this type of Wirtgen machine, with the levelling technology that they've got, and working with a fine milling drum, you can achieve the same results or better results using this process than you can with conventional grinding. Against carbide, yes, it's more expensive, but with carbide you wouldn't get the texture. You would get it for 3 metres and then you'd be back to a rubbing situation as opposed to a cutting, crushing situation.
At Powerplane we've always kept abreast of the new technology. Wirtgen always help us by giving us everything that they've got, but at the end of the day it's down to us to improve what we do and just try and keep ahead of the game and keep that one step forward. Our method of doing that is by investing in the newest technology and utilising it as we can.
On concrete, as I say, it's early days yet. The trials here today, which have been successful, are very encouraging. Once we see a decent sized project come up, then we will really be able to see the benefit of this system.
At the moment we're very pleased. It's a lovely finish. I'm chuffed to bits with how it's gone, and I'm sure that CEMEX and Connect Plus will hopefully use it in the future.